Yeah, no, that's a lot, Holly. Yeah, that's a lot. I don't receive that much. Even if I do receive something, I don't receive that much. No, we need the plane tickets. I keep telling you guys, let's lock in. That's all we need is the plane tickets, and then I'm fixing my teeth. It'll happen like me teleporting. Yeah, Logan, if we count food stamps, I'm in the same boat. That's about how much I'm receiving too, if we add my food stamps together. So yeah, people are mad at me for abusing what I have. Oh man, they should be mad at you, Logan. Whoa, watch out, you know?